Hey guys, on today's project I'm going to show you how I removed this metal chimney that you're seeing over here. It used to be connected to a wood stove in my basement, but that's been gone for a long time and now I'm just left with this eyesore. So let me show you how I removed it. Alright, what's up guys? Today is a super exciting project. We're removing a metal chimney. So it's attached to the actual house with these straps which have 2 screws each. So first step is to pull those out. I did that with a drill and a wrench, and then I just took the straps and peeled them out of the way so I didn't have to deal with them. Okay, so after I actually removed the first strap with the drill and the wrench, I found that I could actually just cut the metal with some metal snippers, and that was way easier. So I used the metal snippers to cut the ones as I went up the rest of the metal chimney. So I'm cutting the strap there, and then I went up and cut the one above it. So once I had all the straps cut, it was just a matter of trying to knock the chimney down without falling off the ladder. I thought this joint right here was the weak one, so I just went above it and started pushing and wanted to see what would happen. Just like we planned it. Okay, so this last piece of metal right here was very stubborn. I couldn't get it apart. I grabbed a pry bar and a hammer and thought that that joint would separate right there, but didn't have any luck. So took it to WrestleMania real quick, which is unfortunately what you just witnessed, and then decided I'm gonna use a Sawzall and knock this guy out. So I grabbed a metal drill bit just to go ahead and get started and poke a hole in the metal, and then grabbed my Sawzall and went to work. It was being stubborn here, so I grabbed the Sawzall and cut out the last little segment on the bottom. Okay, so gave it a couple more pulls and was able to actually get it off the house pretty easily right there. Then I just kind of continued pulling to disconnect it from the house penetration. Okay, so here's a quick look at where we are in the demo process, and the next step is to... Please smash the like button if this video is helping you out, because honestly the only person that shouldn't be liking this video is Santa Claus. Anyways, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more projects like chimney demolition, or maybe how I remodeled this bathroom that you're seeing there, or installed this closet. I'll be doing a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers, and then again when I reach 1,000. So definitely subscribe if you want to help the channel out and be entered to win. With that said, please like, please subscribe. Let's get back to it. Thanks. Okay, so the next thing I did was I removed the straps that were attached to the house, and they're basically connected by 2 screws on the right side, in the middle, and then on the left-hand side. So I grabbed the drill and went and removed them for that one, and then all the rest that went up the side of the house. So there's nothing really too exciting about this step. You just gotta take your drill and unscrew them and pull them apart. So here we go, taking care of the first one right now, and then I move my way up. I'll let this time lapse roll out. Okay, so after you pull these straps off, you're going to be left with a couple holes for each strap where the screw is connected to the house. So I grabbed some caulk, and I just filled in each one of those. I didn't make it too pretty. I just took a kind of a glove and rubbed it in there. And then I'm going to paint the house later on with a spray gun. So that's basically just a step to keep any kind of insects from getting inside and to seal it up. Next, I just completed the final demo work. I removed the wood mounting block from the house. There was a couple screws there that I had to get out with a screwdriver, which I did off camera. And now we transition to the inside part of demo. Okay, so on the inside here, there's literally just these, sorry the focus is kind of bad. There's just these 4 screws that are holding this plate on. So I have my drill right here. I'm gonna go through and just unscrew these. So I went ahead and removed those off camera, then I went back outside, I took my pry bar and hammer, and I started trying to loosen the aluminum piece that went through the house. And, you know, I saw it loosening as I went, so I just worked my way around the entire perimeter, and then tried to pull it out. So I wasn't having any luck pulling it out from the outside, but when I went inside, it came out super easily, as you'll see right now. Now, for accomplishing this project, you're left with an awesome 12-inch diameter hole in your foundation. But this video is getting kind of long, so I'm going to show you how I repaired this hole in another video. But in the meantime, please enjoy me awkwardly posing for a thumbnail, and like the video, and subscribe. When I hit 100, I'll be doing a giveaway for a $100 Home Depot gift card, so definitely go ahead and do that if you want to be entered. Thanks.